What's going on, good people? BrandMaster Martina Britt Yelverton here, your BrandMaster Cash Flow Queen and founder of Youth Lifestyle Training, the number one legal tax hack to hire your kids in your home-based business. I help startup and struggling entrepreneurs as well as savvy seniors to develop a simplified brand so they can focus on catching their coins, getting back to their passion so that they can develop profits, okay? Here in 2022, we're celebrating 14 years in business serving small business, corporations, authors, network marketers, and home based business owners. Through this passion that was birthed back in 2008, through the adversity of surviving domestic violence, truly understand that I do understand marriage and miscarriage, divorce and eviction, loss of a business, the welfare system, birth and death. So understand when I say I got you, I've got you. I'm commonly referred to as your go to girl for simplified blueprints and professional graphics that you can actually manage yourself. I help people who want help, and I can help you visualize, simplify, and organize your value. My daily goal again is to brand you, educate you, and to help you get your assets in order so that you can leave a legacy, or better yet, so that you can live one. So, having said that, I want to welcome you guys to the BrandMaster Dollar Deals membership. And the reason I'm calling it that is because for the next 31 days, you will be delivered value that you guys seek, that you've asked me for quite a bit of time, value and access that you guys are honestly entitled to for being coachable, teachable, trainable CTT squad members. And I want to make sure that I deliver on each and everything that I've learned over the massive amount of time that I have been involved on this journey. Again, because my daily goal is to brand you, educate you, and to help you get your assets in order, I may as well go ahead and give you access to all of the access. Am I saying that right? Access to all of the assets. There you go. So, what I'm actually doing is taking the next 31 days. That means $1 a day. So, yes, the membership is $31 to get started, $1 or day to give you access to valuable assets. So, to hold myself accountable and to continue to document the process, I'm having you guys understand each and every aspect of what asset you are going to get. So, we're going to start with understanding the value behind a power bio. And right now we're discussing simplified methods. So we're discussing the simplified power bio associated with your social media. Okay. Beyond that, we're going to discuss simplified branding. We're going to do a Google test. If you guys have no earthly idea about the Google My Business platform, you will learn about that and you will initiate your own Google test so that you can see how and where you rank with regards to Google. We're going to determine what is a good lead. All right, if you haven't been keeping up, we're at day number 5 now, and we're going to talk about the IG or the social media persona. Day 6, we're going to talk about Target 101. Now, that does differ a little bit from day 7, where we're talking about your archetype or your avatar. And to give you a quick hint about that, your avatar pretty much is your old you. When we get to say day 7 and we actually go through that, you'll understand it much better. Um, we're also going to talk about simplified brand formulas. We're going to talk about lead magnets and autoresponders and how to know your numbers. And we're going to talk a little bit about what is called a 100 No's challenge. By day 12, we're going to talk about video content creation. We're going to do a personality test while we're going through all of this. You're going to get 7 steps to the youth lifestyle training that you heard me mention. That's how to hire your kids in your own home-based business. And if you don't have a home-based business, the last 5 days of this entire process will give you 5 different opportunities to initiate a home-based business. By day 15, we're going to talk about StreamYard webinars, day 16, Zoom webinars, and the difference between the two, as well as the benefits of each, and how to initiate a webinar in general. We're going to talk about the difference between PR, marketing, branding, promotions, and advertising on day 17. By day 18, we're going to talk about whether or not this journey is even for you by discussing things that you should have in place before you even start. We're going to talk to you about how to teach a lesson, time management, mind mapping, weekly blockers, project planning, and content creation. All right. Rounding out day 24, we're going to discuss promotions for my Women Crushing Mediocrity book. Day 25, You Are Enough book. Day 26, Unleash Your Undeniable Impact. And we're going to go over in depth what it took to actually be a part of each of these three different platforms that included Dr. Cheryl Wood and the Les Brown, and how I was able to prepare myself and become a part of all three of those platforms. We're going to talk about Rich and Righteous from Julian Gordon. That's going to be a deep dive. And with that course, you're also going to get access to his book and workbook included. Yeah, included on day 27. By the time we get to day 28, we're going to talk about the 5 different business opportunities that I'm referring you to, and that's going to be an Assure for Life, MWR, MGC, Playmakers, and your own intellectual value as option number 5. So I hope you guys see value in what you have gotten yourself into, that you understand what you have actually initiated this $31 for, and why it can be called dollar deals, because you're paying $1 a day for 31 days to get access to over 31 different pieces of assets. I'm getting tongue tied. I'm just excited, guys. We've taken quite a bit of time to organize all of this. It's only being given to those who are CTT members and who have opted into the Dollar Deals membership with the BrandMaster. So I'm excited to have you here. I'm excited to have you hear this information that you are hearing in case you have not gotten into the membership yet. I would love it even more if you would share this with someone else. So your action right now and what you need to do right now is actually get started. So you're already in the membership. You need to go ahead and access day 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever day your heart's desire, because this is given to you in no specific order. Jump in where you fit in and get what you need. My hope is that you'll stay, that you'll share, and that you'll grow so that you can learn, you can lead, and you can level up in your own intellectual value. I'll talk to you guys on the flip side.